Irony here. We bought tons of crop tops from Shein for $75 for upcoming review and ranking videos. Let's see what we got. See if that's everything. Awesome. $75 and looks like we got quite the haul. Let's take a look and see what we got and see what you think. Start right here. We have scallop at the bottom. Super cute. That's gonna look awesome. Ooh, I love this color. Super pretty. I have to do some creative tying with this one. Yeah, this is gonna be fun. Can't wait to see what this looks like. That'll be fun. Can't go wrong with that color. Nice blue for our next one. Oh no, can't get into it. Super strappy, more tissue paper. Love this blue. Oh, nice little keyhole opening in the front, tie at the top, super cute. That's gonna look awesome. This pattern's gonna be fun. Let's see what we have here. Let's see. I like the blue. This is an interesting pattern. It'll be interesting to see. Let's see what we have next. More of the awesome tissue paper stuff in there. The white, ruffles at the bottom. Super cute. That's gonna look awesome. Already have some models in mind. Next up, ooh, a ribbed pattern. Strappy. Not sure which is the top or the bottom. Oh, no. Cute. Ties in the back. Love it. Love the color. And next, ooh, what's this pattern? Check it out. Ooh, nice soft material. Sheer pattern. Ooh, super pretty, like a mint green. It looks like it will be very backless. Ties top and bottom. Very soft material. Love it. Super cute. Oops. Quite the stack of tops here. Ooh, nice shade. Oh, I love the pattern. Super cute. A little V at the bottom. Straps. Show the back. Oh, love it. It'll look awesome when we do our ranking or review videos. All right, let's, ooh, we got a little sparkle going on here. That's the back. Super pretty. The little straps at the top. Comes down. Oh, super pretty, super sparkly. I'm all about that sparkle. Let's see what we have next. I think we might be just about halfway through, so first impressions for $75, I'm thinking we did really well. Ooh, two-tone. Let's see, that's the back. This is the front. Ooh, that's gonna be super cute. Love the detail in the center. Halter style tie. Next up, let's take a look. Ooh, we've switched up to some gray. Let's see, super strappy. Oh, another with the V detail at the bottom. Looks like we're gonna have some crisscross at the back. Ooh, lots of details on the back, super cute. Intrigued to see what that's gonna look like. Very open, rib pattern, love it. Let's see what we have next. Let's see, I think I saw a cute pattern. Oh, look at that. We have a sweet, cool girl. Retro style, cute. The back. Again, another halter style at the top. I love it, a little throwback. And let's see what we have. Love the bags, they're not super loud, so that's awesome for opening. Tissue, however, is a little loud. Typically not a fan of this color, but I actually like it with the pattern. It's actually really soft. Open in the back. I think that'll look really cute. Next up, we're getting there, guys. A few more to go. Let's see. There we go. Well, this is very similar to the two-tone style that we had. I really like the detail here. Draw, tie here. I think that'll be cute. Shiny material, it's very soft. I like it. Ooh, a rust color. Not too complicated. Slip on, slip off. Cute, simple style. And here we are. Pretty gray. And straps. Ooh, nice. It's a double material, so it'll give you a little extra coverage. Super cute. Add that to our growing pile. Oh, we got a fun pattern here. So we have, my goodness. Oh, we got some bling. This will be interesting. Not much that's gonna hold it up, but for what we're gonna be doing, I think this will be fun. Oh, I like this pattern. Somebody else did too. It's already open. Oh, I love it. Super flowy, super sheer. Open in the back. Super strappy, which I love. Could be one of my favorites already. Let's see what we have next. Ooh. Tie-dye action here. Pretty. Really like the metal ring. It's a really cool feature. Really nice on the back. I actually like this a lot. We're getting to the end. I'm thinking, and I'm not quite sure how many things we ordered because I tend to just put things in the cart and buy. We'll see how many we have at the end. And super cute, nice ribbed pattern. Tie at the top again, lower in the back. Love it, super cute. So we have another green. Let's see what we got here. Oh, got it inside out. Oh, hard to do. Lots of straps, lots of it going on here. Probably easier to put on than try to demonstrate here. Do it this way. Oh, that's cute. Looks like it's gonna be a crisscross tie. Nice. I actually really like the pattern. Let's see if I'm saving the best for last. I got still a few more to go. I'm getting to the end. Be interested to see what you think. Oh, did we get two of the same? Very similar to... I believe I may have gotten a little carried away with my shopping. It seemed that I got them in different sizes, though I was trying to get different patterns and different colors, but that'll be cool. Black, super strappy. Alrighty. I can only assume that it's going to twist and tie. We are not going to try to delve into this one any further, other than it's definitely going to go around and wrap quite a bit. I'm going to have to go and find a photo of that for whoever wears that. Got a nice purple pattern coming up. Another V pattern at the bottom. Straps. Super cute. Love the pattern. Makes me think of the 80s. A little retro going there. Oh, look. I really like this one a lot. Since I got three, I'm hoping they're all three different sizes. If not, you can tell the one that I really enjoyed. Two to go. Let's see. Ooh, nice. Nice pattern. Lacy. Nice. Should I pattern off a little? There's the top. Swoop over to the back. Super cute. That's gonna look awesome. And last but not least, to be saved the best for last. Ooh, super cute. Get the tissue out of there. Got some underwire support here, lace here, little additional boning here, tie at the top. Cute. We may have saved the best for last. Alrighty, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, love that one, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16, another fave, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, interesting, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28 different crop tops. We paid $75. I'm gonna say that's about $267 an item. Do you think we got a good deal? Let us know in the comments below. Overall, I think we got a great deal. Let us know what you think. See you soon.